Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do a small object or small design in Illustrator. This is basically for beginners, okay? So we'll start. So I'm going to file, then we'll take new. I will take a new page. Then I will go to here. This is artboard tool. Click here. Then we'll go to here. Here you can adjust page size A4, A3, and I'm just taking A4 page. Now this is portrait view. So I will take landscape view. This is the tool. This is the icon. Now this is landscape view. Fine. So this is the move tool and selection tool. I take. Okay. Then I will take this tool. This is rectangle tool. Click here. Then press shift key. Then click and drag. So you will get square here. You can shape here also. Click and drag here. So it will be like this. Okay. I will take selection tool. I will click here. I can remove the color, fill color like this. Okay. Then I will select this. Then I need to copy this, the same thing. So I will click Alt Shift. Then just drag. Okay. So the copy here. Now I will copy again. Shift Alt. Sorry. Alt Shift. Okay. I need to make little bit bigger this one. So I will select this one. Then I will press Alt Shift. I will click this corner to enlarge. So you can see this is enlarging. Okay. Now I will select all together. You can click here and drag, so they will all selected. You can click here to centralize. Okay. If you click here, now I will select all this with this selection tool. Then we'll go to another tool. See this one. This is shape builder tool. So you can. This is very useful tool. So I click here. Now you can just remove this one. Like a drag here. Here. Now this is deleted. Now you can check. I click here selection tool. Then you can click here. I will take one color here. You will just go here. I will apply one color here. I click here. I will remove the outer color. The stroke color, you can click here and remove this one. Now I need to apply the same color on here. So just click the object and go to here, this tool. Click here, just pick here. I need to fill here also. So I will just change another color. We'll go here. Then click here and remove the stroke color, the outer color. Now I will select this both by clicking shift. This one selected, is both selected. Now I will go to object menu. Go to object menu, take path, offset path, take offset path. You can preview here, you can check this. I make 6. Okay, then you can apply. For that I will change color to white, so you can change here white. I will click here and press Ctrl and this button, so this will be like this. I will select all together, so you can select all by selecting like this. So this is all selected. Just make group, you can right button and select group, or you can press Ctrl G, so it will be group. Okay, and you can move this to center. Okay, now you just go here, effect, then you will get stylish and drop shadow. Just adjust. You can adjust there, so it will be like this. This is very simple. Now you can put text here. You can text here. Same here also. You can copy by clicking Alt Shift. You can type here also. This is the basic ideas. So okay, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.